How to fix iPhone's camera showing black screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your iPhone's camera is actually showing black screen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have been using the camera application, it's not working well on the front camera as well as also the back camera as it's showing black screen. First of all, make sure that there are no any objects placed around the camera. The other thing we can try to do is just try to reset everything that you've customized to the default settings by simply going to the settings option here. And first of all, you can just try looking for the camera application here and then tap on it. Once you tap on camera app, make sure to actually look for the settings of this particular option here. Otherwise, what you can do is you can simply go to the option known as general. Go to general and then scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone. Select reset and select reset all settings. Now this is not going to reset your iPhone, but only the settings that you've customized for each system app. So you might want to reset all settings to see if that helps you solve the problem. Also, just make sure that you update your iOS to the latest version. If all of these fixes doesn't work, chances are that your camera hardware is highly likely damaged, so you might want to visit the nearby repair center in order to get it repaired if you'd like. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.